की फतेह मैं सीधा मैसेज प्ले करूँगा जी. My good wishes for this project, all members and well wishers of Cambodge community. I wish all the success. Gajjan Singh Thind.
It's a historic step forward with the establishment of Shaheed Udham Singh Skill Development and Entrepreneurship University. A living tribute to the great martyr Shaheed Udham Singh, also known as Ram Mohammad Singh Azad, who stood for secularism, freedom, dignity and empowerment. This university has been envisioned on 50 acres of land in Ludhiana, popularly known as Manchester of India, generously contributed by the Cambodge community, known for hard work, trust and a deep-seated belief in giving back, symbolizing people's commitment to mission building. Why do we need a new university? India faces a serious challenge, a widening gap between the degrees students earn and the skills that industries demand. Too often, dignity and empowerment. This university has been envisioned on 50 acres of land in Ludhiana, popularly known as Manchester of India, generously contributed by the Cambodge community, known for hard work, trust and a deep-seated belief in giving back, symbolizing people's commitment to mission.